I know you're familiar with including jump rope to your workout routine for fat loss. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use jump rope for better fat loss results. By the way, when was the last time you used a jump rope? Do you know it burns calories? Yes, even jumping at a moderate rate can burn off 10 to 16 calories in 1 minute and over 160 calories in 10 minutes, targeting the hand muscle, the forearm, shoulder, abdominal muscles, back muscles, glutes and calves. That's awesome, right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use jump rope for better fat loss results. The first and most important thing for getting a better fat loss result with jump rope is intensity. Intensity involves going all out with maximum effort in waving the rope as much as your body can carry. The second I want to talk about for getting an optimum calorie burn and fat loss is holding the rope tight and spinning it with good form. This helps you put all the tensions and resistance on your body. This can be achieved by keeping your shoulders and arms shorter apart and tight to enable your shoulders burn. The third I want to talk about is intervals. This involves skipping the rope with maximum intensity for a time period and then taking a rest. For instance, you can go for an interval of 20 seconds intensity followed by 10 seconds rest for your preferred duration of jump rope. The next thing that helps for fat loss with jump ropes is increasing the weight of your jump ropes. This is done to put more resistance on your body to burn more calories, thereby making it easier to burn more fat. The next thing is not specifically jump rope related, but if you are going to burn fat, you need to be eating in a calorie deficit on healthy meals to enable your body burn more calories than you consume. And if you like more information on this, on making sure you burn fat and lose weight, check out my 30 days online group coaching program in the link below. Finally, if you want to get optimum fat loss results with jump ropes, then it all comes down to consistency. You can't go one day of jump ropes and eating in calorie deficit and go back to bad habits the next day and expect results. So you need to be consistent and do this day after day if you want to see fat loss results with jump ropes. If this video was very helpful for you, like this video. If you have any question or want to share when you are going to try this out, drop it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, click the bell notification, and stay tuned for other concise fat loss tips. Thank you.